up, people? Luke back at you with a brand new product tonight, people. Something miraculous that you too are gonna love as much as I am, people. This is from a place called ManScaped. ManScaped products, people. ManScaped, refining the gentleman. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but it can refine you if you're a gentleman. Now, people, I want to start here with the crop mops. These here are ball wipes. They are to wipe your balls. In case they're dirty, you take your crop mop and mop your crop. That way, your crop can stay mopped wherever you stop. To go along with that, we have our crop cleanser, people. And the crop cleanser is an invigorating hair and body wash. I'm sure you can use it on your cabre too. It could possibly invigorate your cabre. But people, once you get all that cropped and mopped and cleansed and cleaned, you go over here for the crop preserver. This is your ball deodorant. A couple drops, slather it on your junk, and your crop is preserved, people. Deodorized, decentralized, demagnetized, and ready for anything you may throw at them. And you also got to keep your feet dusted too. Not only are you crop dusting your mop, but you're crop dusting your feet too, people. A few spritzes of the foot duster, and your feet will feel like they're in a glorious garden, people, and feel so much better. And after the long day, people, after the long day, you get right here to the crop reviver. After the long day, you come home to Mrs. Luch, and you just want to revive your crop for the queen of the house. So you've got your refreshing ball toner, because Mrs. Luch likes nothing better than toned balls. And this will do the trick, people. This will do the trick. And all these products together will keep your manscaped manliness mopped and cropped, smelling beautifully, dusted and cleansed, and preserved through the whole day. People, you can't go wrong with Manscaped's new line of products for your mop. Keep it cropped. Rock on, people. LuchaCabre.